You own a business, looking to create awesome website for it? Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Belly Tech Services. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Belly Tech are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo.
Welcome once again. If this is your first time being in this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification post, and you'll be eligible for anything that will be posted or launched in this channel. Now, here is a channel that will offer you your online tech of anything that you want, especially making of money online and anything you want to know about the internet. If you don't understand anything, don't hesitate to put it in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and let's continue with what we are doing. Today we are going to look at a way we are going to make money or generate our money to earn a passive income. Now, dollar has been one of the best currency around that is being valuable to some of the African countries. For example, when you are in West Africa and you are in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, and some of the other countries, you will love this video. Now, there is this that we call a cryptocurrency. Today, everything that we are going to do is about what? Mining or generating an income from a capital that you want to use. Now, we have this platform or website called Binance. Binance is a website linked as a bank where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrencies are visual currencies that are used for exchanging. Especially, I will just say they are money, visual money. And these coins have in many ways. We have the BTC, which is Bitcoin. We have the USDT, that's the United States dollar. Is it trade? And we have Ethereum. We have Trons and a lot of them. So to be able to generate your money or to make your money grow, there are some criteria and angles that you have to put it here. So one is we have something we call buy and sell. Now, the rate of dollar has not changed. Every day in dollar increase its prices. It either go up or it comes down. So you are someone who is a trader and you love to trade with this. This is just when you are relaxing, you can trade with this with your money. So I'm going to teach you how you are going to buy your cryptocurrency, how you are going to change your local currency into this visual currency. So which of this do you want? So I'm going to start with the USDT. So if you are someone who want to buy the USDT and sell it and get a profit from it, just stay stick to this video. And if you know you are just jumping into it and you never knew about this before, check in the description. There is a video that will teach you how to create account in Binance and verify your account. So let's continue. Now, when you finish verifying and create account, everything is successfully. This is how the dashboard will look like. Now, down here, you check. We have wallet, we have future, we have trade, we have market, and home. Now, you type on wallet. And that's where it is loading. So when it's done, I'll let you know. Now, when you finish loading, this will be the interface or your balance where your money will be. So you don't have any currency in it at this moment. So you are going to change your local currency to the visual currency, which is the cryptocurrency. So you are going to change it from your old currency to your local currency, from your local currency to the cryptocurrency. So you type on this P2P trading. And when you type on this P2P trading, they'll bring it where you are going to exchange your money with someone cryptocurrency. Now, these people you are seeing here are people who are buying. Now, there are people who are buying and selling. When you check on top here, we have buy or sell. So if you have your own and you want to sell too, you can bring it here and sell. Now, if you are buying, what you have to do is you press on the buy sector and it will show the number of people who are buying and the particular account they are using to buy and the amount you want to buy or sell. Now we have Voda Cash here. We have Voda Cash MTN mobile money, we have MTN mobile money here, we have Voda Cash, Airtel money, and ATM money. Now, assuming you are in Ghana and you are using your mobile money to buy, so at the right side here, you type on this thing here. So they'll bring the payment sectors. Scroll down. The amount you want, you will type it. In the typing section, you type it here. And you scroll down and choose the particular thing you want to use, or the particular wallet you want to use to buy this cryptocurrency. So I want to use MTN mobile money, so I'll type on that one and press confirm. Now, what you have to do is just to press on it. Here they said the limit starting is 200 Ghana cedis. So your money should be exceeded either 200 cedis or exceeded of what 200 cedis. The second one here is 1,000 Ghana cedis to 1,646 Ghana cedis, and this one too is 200 to 1,385 Ghana cedis. So the amount you want, when you type it, it will automatically bring it. So assuming I want to buy 5,000, so let me go type 5,000. Now you press confirm. Now they will start. This one is starting from 1,000 to 5,000. This one 200 to 13,000. This one 6,000. So the first one is always having the low number of what buying. So this one is $1. 1 USDT is going to be 16 cedis, 70 pesos. So you type on buy. So it will automatically direct you here. So you enter the amount you want to buy. So I said 5,000. So I will enter 5,000. So you get 299.35 USDT. So you place an order. So now it will bring you to this space. Now when you place the order, it will bring you to this space. It will say view the payment details. When you type on it, you see the number you are going to send this to. Now, others make mistake and they have changed their account. So you have to be very careful. So check top here. There is a message box there. So you search. So when you type on it, the person will give you their imprompt. They said no agent or merchant payment. Now MTN cash out only. Approved from Summer Links Enterprise. So is it Summer Links Enterprise? Okay, sorry. You will be required to provide screenshot of payment showing the transaction ID when necessary. So you see it. So creating order means you have read and agreed to the terms. So you type okay. Now you are going to when the person reply, the person is online. You see it is showing online here. The eagle, there is an online here. Top here. There is an online here, top here. You see it. The person named the eagle. So when the person reply, you then send your number to the person, and so that you allow cash out, so that the person will pick the money from it automatically. So you then come, when you finish, you notify the person that you come here and notify the person that done. So you type on notify, telling the person that you are done. So you select I have read and understand. So you just submit everything. So when you press here, you send a screenshot of what you've sent. So you screenshot it as you already read. So when you upload it, you just type I have this and you send notify to the seller. So the seller will release the crypto to you. Now this is the first phrase of it. When the person finishes releasing it to you, this is what you are going to do next. Now you go and spy on dollar and check when the dollar rate is increasing, the money you are having will already be what? Increasing. So your money rate will be increasing. So if you have $1 here, you see that when the dollar is increasing, your money here will be increasing. So when it increases with some percentage, go back and sell it that instant. Don't hesitate, sell it fast. So when you sell it, a commission or an interest will be added to your money. So you wait. When it is depreciating again, when like the dollar returns, you go and buy. So this is one of the steps of making money from the cryptocurrency. So if this video is helpful to you, you can like this video, follow us, and anywhere we go, we are always there to give you your way of making money. Thank you for always being in this channel. The name still remains Bopetech TV.